Okay, we are now on to match 2, game 2. We're playing against the Mirror, so playing against Ant. We won game 1, so we're going to be on the draw. We sideboarded in a second top and 2 Flusterstorms, taking out Swamp and 2 Petals. I'm not sure if the 2 Petals are correct. I feel like dropping them makes Ad Nauseam worse, but it's something that I've been trying lately, so let's get going. Alright, so we see a pretty great opening 7. We're not soft to therapy. It will suck if we lose our LED first turn, but we have plenty of chances to find it. We have a Brainstorm and a Preordain and a Probe. So this is clearly a pretty good keep. Now opponent will Probe, which leaves us a bit fearful of therapy here. And he plays out his Petal, and obviously doesn't have the therapy. We draw an Ad Nauseam, which is good. It leaves us with a really stacked hand. He's got no easy cards to pick if he goes to cast Duress or Therapy. So we Probe, and we see Cabal Ritual, Infernal Tutor, Past in Flames, and a couple of lands, which leaves him pretty much 1 LED off going off. So looks pretty rough for us at the moment. We're going to cycle a second Probe. We want a Therapy, which we draw. We'll play Lotus Petal and LED, so that we're not too soft to discard. And we're going to Therapy him and take his Cabal Ritual, because that's what would enable a fast win from here. He might still be able to win off an LED, but it would be a little harder. He'll fetch and Brainstorm. And obviously has not too much. We're going to cast our own Brainstorm here, and we're going to put back Ad Nauseam and one of our cantrips. The reason being we can then play our fetch out, cast Rain of Filth, have 2 black up, cast our LED, and then tutor for the Ad Nauseam with black floating and a Petal up, which we're doing this from 14, so it's not ideal, but it's good enough. So we'll sacrifice both our lands for double black, tutor, crack the LEDs, we'll leave 1 blue floating, just in case we need to ponder. And we have to stop it there. So we have 34 cards left in our library. We have 1 blue floating and a Lotus Petal that we can burn, and we have a couple of ponders here. So we're going to ponder and shuffle. We're currently an LED or a Tendrils off winning. So we're going to ponder again with the second with the pedal that we had in play. So down to 32 cards. So what wins us the game from here? Obviously tendrils, 2 LEDs, so there's 1 in 10 cards that make us win. And we're going to, we've seen 8 so far, and we're going to manage to see another 3 using the top. Because what we're going to do, okay, so we're going to pedal, and ritual twice, cast the top, activate the top, and we finally find the LED. So we're going to draw that, cast the LED, and tutor for tendrils. And that's GG's.